So it's been a while since we've been here. Last time we were here there was a partially built top deck of a car park, which is now nearly finished, apart from the lights on the top of the columns. So if we can pick one out, you can see the columns have not got their lights on yet. Ramps are all in place. And that car park now looks pretty much complete to me. Fly over the top of it. It's full of metal, so the drone shouldn't have any issues doing it, but it might cause some signal issues. Have a quick look around. What appears now to be pretty much finished station. Roundabout in place there, entrance roads. Everything's looking pretty much complete. Move to the right. And station there. Have a look down. Nothing's really changed, obviously. It's all constructed. But yeah, the main change was this car park. So there's still works going on inside. But deck now is complete. So it's going to just be a very quick update, I think, tonight. We'll pan back. An enormous car park it's going to be. Clearly expecting a high number of users. It's a big car park. And yeah, pan over the station there. See the entranceway all constructed. The station is dwarfed by this car park. It's absolutely massive. It doesn't look it from the street, but there's one huge car park. And we'll fly over the top, getting some interference with the drone, but we'll shift past the station. We've had a few people mention on other videos the estate in the distance. Have we got nice low winds tonight? We'll fly over the track there to Abista. You can have a look at this. So yeah, you got construction site there. And to be fair, these do look like very nice houses. First time I've actually come to Winslow and it hasn't been high wind. Yeah, some nice houses being constructed. That's not what we're here for, is it? East West Rail is what we're looking at this video for. There's the bridge. Put the drone over the top of the bridge and have a quick look down. Long back over the railway. Soon there'll be trains serving this. look up. There's the track heading off towards Bicester. Spin around and head back into the station. There's the bridge. What I can do actually is back up along the tracks. We can get a good fly over the top. There's the bridge for Winslow Station. People asked for some audio, so hopefully you can hear the cow. As we fly in, you see the bridge over the station there to allow access for all. Car park on the right, absolutely dwarfing the station though now. And there's the platforms. Again, it is just an emergency exit on the left. Personally think it should have been an access point, but no. And that's the footbridge heading off into the distance. It looks like the compound where we started our videos might actually have been cleared. So that ends this update from Winslow, where things are pretty much finished for East West Rail.